Hey guys, this is what you are going to do if you want to redeem your EN token from your miner app to your CryptoCara wallet. So you simply tap this big circle here in the middle, and then you go to the redeem tab. Okay, so this one here is your redeemable EN token. Okay, and this is your remaining balance. So you simply hit redeem now, and here you have two options. You may use your EMT address or your EN address, so both contain the same address. So you go to your CryptoCara wallet. Okay, so for now I'm going to use my EMT address. There you go, and then go back to the miner app and paste the address here and the redeem amount. So I'm going to redeem 10,192 10,192 and hit redeem. Take note, the distribution time for the redeemed EN token is scheduled in the first week of the month. So my redemption today is done in January 20th, so this will be distributed on the first week of February. So you just patiently wait for it. Rest assured that it will surely come into your CryptoCara wallet. So it will be reflected there as an A token. Once it is reflected in your EMT, for the need to swap it into EN. Okay, so there you go.